Hello everybody, I'm Edwin Wallet. Welcome to this course, Digital Design Sketching 2. It will be about Photoshop and using it as a tool in a creative process. So you'll see me make a design, in this case a manned drone concept, from scratch all the way to a final rendering for your portfolio. So all the steps are in this course. So ideation in 2D sketches, really quick and dirty sketches, to shape development, to constructing in perspective, to basic shading and material expression and rendering, special effects, and also the cool tips and tricks, of course, of Photoshop. Communication will also be a part of this, so adding arrows and text and layout to your final image. All this will build up to a final rendering. So everything is in this course. You get to see me get through all of these steps in a realistic way, so it's not a perfect picture. I also make mistakes in here, so you'll see me make those mistakes and go a few steps back and then go another route or something, and all of that is necessary to get to the design that I want. Alright, I hope I've got your attention here, that you find this interesting, that this is the course for you, and I hope to see you there. You can choose two variations. You can choose self-study or a get feedback course, that's up to you. In any way, I hope to see you in this course soon. Take care everyone, bye bye.